and this is another trading signal I want to do. Now, XEM is a little bit more complicated in the structure itself, but ultimately it's still remaining pretty simple and to the point, which is great. That's what you want. All right, so XEM, there's quite a few more lines to draw. Again, red lines represent take profit, yellow lines represent entry. So we've got a massive, and this is a very important one. This is probably the most critical line on XEM, the second most critical line. Downtrending dashed red lines stemming from the wicks in December all the way through to the wicks in March and extending it across. That is a take profit zone. And then you're drawing in the 5 horizontal red lines, okay? You've got one at 8.4 cents. You've got one at 7.8 cents. You've got one at 5.1 cents, which is a very strong weekly candle resistance. So you can look at the weekly chart if you like that, or if you're interested in that. And then we've got at 3.4 cents and 2.9 cents. Again, that's 8.4, 7.8, 5.1, 3.4, and 2.9. And then, of course, we have the yellow lines, which are the breakout lines, and this forms a large a large symmetrical triangle formation. In fact, it's more like a bear flag formation. And that is stemming, this top yellow line is stemming from the wick here on the 20th of July, 2021, through to the wicks in January and February this year, and then through and across all of these recent wicks from May, from June and July, and then from August as well. And then the bottom line for that is very simple. The bottom line for the triangle is stemming from the wicks in June, all the way through to the wicks we've had in the last few days. And you can see we very clearly have a very interesting triangular formation and lots of potential support resistance zones that can be utilized for take profit zones. Okay, so knowing that, it's very similar to the chain link chart. Knowing that there's not really anything in between us and the take profit zones. For example, looking at the bull market support band again, it's great. It's great to see. That is within the triangle. Again, that means that if we break the bull market support band, if we break the triangle, we are inherently above the bull market support band already, and we're ready to shift upwards. Whereas if we break below the triangle, we are inherently below the bull market support band still, and we're ready to shift downwards. It makes it very simple for us. And if we brought up the RSI, we can get a few things there, but ultimately the trading signal remains the same. The main point of a trading signal is this, just like Chainlink, exactly the same really. Enter on a break to the upside, right? Stop loss will be set below the weekly candle chart line that I will make pink. That's an important line. Below that line for the long position, that'll make pink. So enter on the breakout of a triangle, stop loss just below 5.1 cents, and you take profits at any one of these red lines, whether you reach for diagonal first, whether you reach 7.8 cents first, or whether you reach 8.4 cents first. And obviously that depends on your risk tolerance as well. And the short position is very simple. In fact, the short position is a lot easier, and we hope it plays out because short positions in a bear market, generally you're trading with a trend, so it's great to see. You want to see that happen. The short position is breakdown from a triangle, enter on the breakdown, stop loss just above, take profits at any one of these red lines. Very simple stuff. So that's the XEM signal. Thanks for watching the altcoin trading signal I just posted. Now, if you're interested in trading this altcoin trading signal, I highly recommend that you trade on the exchange that I am trading on so I can keep you updated effectively on the trade. This is the exchange I found the coin on and analyzed it on originally. So sign up to BitGet using my referral link in the description below. Not only will you be in tune with what the rest of the Wolfpack is doing, but you're also getting 5 times lower fees than the major exchanges. For example, Binance, 5 times lower fees than Binance. You're saving yourself money on those trades as well. You've also got security on this exchange that's not present on other exchanges, like a protection fund. And on top of that, if you sign up using my referral link, you're supporting the channel, and you also get access to an exclusive rewards center where you can gain up to 4,000 USD in rewards. If you want to learn how to trade, like I've just done in this video, if you want to learn how to do that, you can sign up to the Crypto Academy's Become a Trader course. This is a course teaching people how to trade through 10 units, and you can go to the website and read up more about that in the blurb here. And also, ultimately, you can chuck us an email at cryptoacademycourses@gmail.com if you're interested in signing up. Thanks, guys.